G'day viewers, it's Phil from SunRIseCars and Edward Lee's with an extra special car today. I'm fizzing on this one. This is special. Why is it special? Well, just because of a couple of factors. Number one, it's a very rare car because it's a factory manual turbocharged Mark II. They didn't make many of these. Probably only 2 or 3% of production was manual. And there's probably more manuals than that in existence because a popular pastime in Japan is to take an auto one and of course turn it into a manual. This is a factory manual, so that makes it very special. That's number one. Number two is the condition and the low mileage. This has just done 78,000 Ks and it's a pristine car. We've got D-Reg papers, all history from Japan. And it's just tick, 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 tick in terms of history checks, genuine Ks. And as we look at this car, everything marries up, including the condition. It's an immaculate example. It's a pristine car. It's never been smoked in. It's been loved. It's a genuine manual turbo Mark II. And it's the Grande model, which means it's got this beautiful little wood grain stripe that goes through the interior. Electric seats. It's a very luxurious turbocharged manual sedan, very similar in characteristic to the Chaser. So with the 1JZ VV2i turbo, you can really light this car up if you put your foot down. It's a weapon, but it's a very well behaved and civilized weapon. And what's nice is it's totally original. It's unmodified. It's stock standard completely. Nothing's been messed with from the day it rolled out the factory. And it's just beautiful. It's a fast car, very civilized. Now for me, this is the sort of car I would take and I would just do a few tasteful mods to make it into my car. But that's me. Some people would keep it stock. I would put a set of nice deep dish wheels on it. Give it a little bit of stance, not over the top, so it still rides well. Probably front mount intercooler and an exhaust, because these things just come alive and they sound amazing with a few little tweaks like that. And this is the perfect car to do it to because it's never been abused. It's never been driven in anger, I don't think, really. It's just beautiful. That's the badging there. It's a Grande IRV Mark II, and it's got this beautiful sparkling pearl white paint. It might not really come up very clearly in this video. I'll take the videos out of the direct sunlight. I'm just trying to find a little bit of sparkles in the paint there. It's a beautiful sparkling pearl white. Please notice the headlights too. These are beautiful, clear, clean. Sometimes these, when they're left out in the burning sun all their lives, they tend to go a little bit milky. These are beautiful headlights on this one. It's got the driving lights, fresh rubber that's been put on this car, almost brand new. Let me show you under the bonnet as well. Look at that, it's pristine. Oh, hear that angel sound? Oh. Can't help myself, sorry. That's the sound I hear in my head when I open a nice clean bonnet like this. You can see there, I'm not 100% accurate in my previous description. There we go. It's got a little HKS pod. So that is not factory. One more. Original sound deadening. Original radiator support. There's no signs whatsoever of any repairs or accidents. The service stickers here. Looks like the timing belt's been done. Even though it's not due, that's a nice sign. That's a sign that somebody's really loved this thing. You can see here, all original and nice. A little bit of dirt here. It's not freshly painted the car to original. It's just nice. How do we have a listen to this thing? A little bit of induction sound from the pod filter. Sounds nice. Look at your bonnet gaps there, it all lines up beautifully. Just love the car. Do a final walk around. If you want a very special IRV Grande Toyota Mark II Turbo factory manual, this is as good as it gets. It'd be very hard to find a better car than this in Japan or Australia. It's straight as a gun barrel, and it's been beautifully looked after. If you like what you see, give us a buzz on 02 9744 0539 or go to our website for more information, www.sunrisecars.com.au. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Phil Lee from SunRIseCars and Edward Leeds. See you later. Thanks for watching.